Laura, I truly do not have enough words to explain how deeply I love you and how thankful I am that God chose you for me. You have brought a kind of peace, joy, and love into my life that I never knew I needed until you came into it.
My liefste man, vandag is die dag waarna ons so lank uitgesien het. En tog voel dit amper onwerklik dat ek vandag met jou gaan trou.
Cheers!